Hello everyone, my name is Cam, and welcome to another RAMShard Minecraft plugin tutorial. Before we get started, be sure to drop a like and subscribe for more tutorials. Hopping into this, be sure to install the plugin first. If you don't know how, look to the top right for the iCard on how to install plugins. Once installed, restart your server and head it to the config files. To do this, go to your server, click on the Files drop-down tab, and click Config Files. This plugin allows you to customize your broadcast prefix and broadcast a message. Heading back into this, click on the config.yml file and this will bring up all the settings for the broadcast plugin. Here, you can change the tick rate, the time the broadcast stays for, and the broadcast prefix. For example, I will change the broadcast prefix to Ramcast. After these settings are changed to your likings, head into your Minecraft server. Once on your Minecraft server, to load your edited settings, go to the chat box and type the command \bp reload. To send a broadcast message, type \broadcast, the method you want to send it, and the message you want to send. For example, I will send a broadcast message through chat, so I use \broadcast, chat, and diamond drop at spawn. You can also send a broadcast through the action bar by replacing the word chat with bar. Another great feature is that you can send a broadcast in specific worlds on your server. To do this, type the command \broadcast world, the method you want to send it through, the world name, and the message you want to send. Now that is how you can easily use the BroadcastPlus plugin on your Minecraft server. Thanks for watching.